In this video, I'll show you how you can get a timer in PowerPoint. Now, first step is we want to enable the developer up here. So what you want to do is right click on any of these. So right click on help, go to customize the ribbon and let it load for a little bit. Now, once this is done loading, on the right hand side, you want to make sure developer is turned on. Then what you want to do is press on developer, press add-ins, go to the store and search for break time. Once you're here, you're going to click add, continue, and as you can see, it will now add the timer here. Then down here you can customize it if you want. Instead of 10 minutes, you can do 5 minutes, seconds, and you can do what kind of type you want. Then simply you can press start, stop, and reset, and that's basically how you can add the timer in PowerPoint. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.